So guys, can you see this workflow? This took me around like 5 to 6 days just to make it run. And this is the same workflow that anti-gravity created for me in 15 minutes. So today I'm going to show you what anti-gravity can do. So I have been using Na10 from last 6 months, and honestly it is doing work, but it is so time consuming, and every time I try to run a workflow an error kicks in. I got to know that Cloud Code can make these automation very fast by just writing code, but I don't have enough money to buy Cloud Code. Then I got to know about anti-gravity and I hope on this. Go on to this is anti-gravity 2.0. Google just launched it, and it is honestly bro so impressive. Like I can use it for free, and it made me this whole dashboard. Anti-gravity AI command center, this whole made by him. This is the AI chat. Here I can choose my local models, etc. This whole thing made by anti-gravity in just one night, and see what it can do. I made 3 workflows: you creator, hub, manus AI deep research, and AI email outreach. First I will show you the replica of this. So what it does, it take leads from this sheet, and then is the URL, then post a HTTP request onto the website to see what they are selling, what they do, like about customer, and then it summarizes that. Then it, so this whole thing take me around 5 to 6 days to just set up. And now see it. This is the AI email outreach, and I will just press run. It is connecting to my Google Sheet and Gmail. It found 62 pending leads. Here is the 62 pending leads. Draft saved. Processing Mashgin. This is the website. Here is Mashgin, and it created the email. Let me open my Gmail. It created that email. See how fast it is, and it just took me around 15 to 20 minutes to set up. Let me show you my second automation. I have been in a AI niche, so I want a like daily news what other creators are uploading. So I created this automation, AI YouTube creator, and in this I add all the channels I want to like get information from, and I can add more channels. And here I have scheduling, here I have last 3 days, here I have channel videos. So let's run it once. It will take all the videos that is has been uploaded by these channels in last 24 hours. So it is running now. See how useful is this. Now I don't have to go and check YouTube every day and doom scroll there. And here is the result. See, it find out all the videos that has been uploaded by these channels in last 24 hours, and I can analyze them. See how easy it to be. It took around 15 to 20 minutes. Just I have to return a prompt, and it made me this. So let's go to anti-gravity. So here we can choose our model, and here are conversation history. Here is schedule task. I don't have currently. So here in the settings we can see our quota. This is my quota: 5 hour limit, weekly limit, and daily limit. Here we can customize. Here we can give permission, like I give him permission to go check and analyze, write these folders without asking me, otherwise it is asking too many permissions. So let's make something. Let's make an so I will make an automation so that I don't have to manually reply everyone on my Gmail who sends me email. See, it made that automation here. Gmail autoresponder automatically replies incoming unread emails using a custom. And now we will set it credential up, and then it is done. See how it easy to create automation through anti-gravity. If you want, if you want to set up a dashboard like me, so you can comment down and I will make a full guide how to create a dashboard like this. Thank you.